Good afternoon, everyone. Today I had to go out, so it's nearly lunchtime. So I thought I'll just share my non-fire uh, lunch recipe with you all. Keep hydrating yourself before you do anything, which is very important in the summertime. Of course, without sugar and salt. I'm just having some lemonade. It is just squeeze of some lemon and then cold water. I'll introduce my ingredients today, since it is non-fire cooking and you all know that we are staying in a transit accommodations waiting for our official quarter to be ready. In the meantime, since I had gone out and I missed my lunch, so I thought I'll just quickly prepare this Assamese non-fire lunch for myself, since I am alone at home and things were already there with me. So let's start with the recipe. The ingredient first, right? So this is called Assamese rice. This is called Koomal saul. Koomal saul is how you made it. You don't have to cook them. You just pour some water into it and soak it for some time until it is soft, and you can just strain it, wash it, ready to eat. You don't, that's a magical rice from Assam. And we have this boiled egg from my breakfast and some boiled tomato. What I did is I took a glass, I put the boiled water and then put that egg and the tomato in a separate glass and then boil them. That's why it is like a half boil. So I have my trusty kajinimu, and a little bit of garlic minced and the ginger mince, and I have some black gram. It's called chana black gram, and some cut onions. Here we have, these are already soaked rice, which is the same. I soaked it before, hence since I was going out, so that time only I just soaked them. I strain them now. And we have these beautiful Himalayan salt, and the mustard oil is must, and some bhut jolokia, it's a devil chili, and it's oil. So what we need to do is, first, since I soak them, I'll rest them for some time and then strain it. And then this is the mashed potato, sorry, this is the egg and tomatoes. Today I don't have potato, and since we don't have a fire, so I am not able to boil the potato. It takes a lot of heat for a potato to boil. Since I have put them in a hot water, since I have this kettle with me, so I can keep the hot water and make this half boiled egg and some tomatoes I had boiled for myself. And over here I'll put some chili oil and mustard oil, how much ever you want your spice, and then some of this rock salt here, which is very good for health. So now I'm going to mix it. So for the since we are making this, and I'd like to add one story behind this rice, why we call it magical rice. So let me place this on a stand so that it's visible. I'm also visible. So what happened when the Mughal came to Assam? and they ruled for like a lot of years. So what happened is, obviously they will purchase, or they will just collect their daily the food items from our locals. They used to collect them. So when these rice was introduced to them, they thought it is magical, and that's why it is been called magical rice from Assam. And we are blessed because we have that, and you will like to carry them. I would especially like to carry them wherever I travel, because it needs no time. You can just have them with salt, that's it. It's the carb, and then everywhere you get eggs, so I mix with them, and then my whole rice is lunch or dinner, whatever I would like to have. So it is done. It's that quick. So how do you make this? You soak them. I showed you just now that you can soak it in the water and leave it for some time until it's softened. Wash them properly, and then it's ready to go. And take how much ever you want. Put some rock salt or any table salt, whatever you prefer, what is available with you, right? And then take some mustard oil. I would like to add some of this devil chili oil, which is available with me. If it's not there, you can just skip it, or you can take some pickle also. Homemade pickle goes very well with this. And then there is this black gram which we have. So I'd like to add some of this. Since childhood I have been having this like this, because my moms and my aunts, all they used to make it that way. So this is how I have learned it. So I don't just do anything else, I stick to their recipe. So you can add and change however you like it. So the piece of onion, if you want to skip it, or you have some meetings, or you want to go somewhere, you can skip it. The garlic is, again, you can skip it if you don't take it, but I like it garlic on my mash, egg and tomatoes. And I'll take some ginger on my rice. Squeeze off a little bit of lime. Give it a good mix. Voila, your non-fire cooking, a lunch, very healthy, is ready. The thing is that why I'm showing you this, because for us it is become a part of our life. Like every 3 months, or every 1 year, or every 3 years, we keep moving from one place to another. So I know that the moment I reach there, it is like we are tired, we don't want to go out to our own dining hall to eat our food. So what, or maybe we skip. In the Navy, they have their timings for breakfast and lunch and evening tea and then dinner. Before and after, you don't get anything else. And it is not like that you can fetch, you can just go to a shop, because it's such a restricted areas. So we have the canteens, and the shops have their own timings given. So before and after, you don't get anything. It is very difficult to believe, but this is how it is. So protocols are there which we follow. So the trusty things is to do whenever you are traveling, whatever you know. So I can prepare a meal for myself whenever I am hungry, or my children are together, or like this is going to be a rest for few months over here. So I'm going to have these whenever I'm missing my home, or missing any meals when I go out. So I hope you enjoy your magical rice from Assam. This is like one of the thing. You can have it, you can carry it, and sample it as you want. You can add some salads with this, but I prefer not to have some dal or anything with this. This is how I've learned. And do not forget to hydrate yourself all the time. If you have any queries regarding this, you can always write me below, and then I would love to answer you back. I would love to check out all the questions and give you all my answers to the inbox. I hope you enjoyed this. I have. Take care.